The government says the authorities will recover the body of every person who died as a result of Hurricane Melissa. This includes exhuming those that have already been buried.
The commitment came from the Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness. Amid that update, though, were questions from some members of Parliament about the accuracy of the death tally from Melissa.
Now, those matters were discussed during a marathon sitting by lawmakers in Gordon House on Tuesday.
The government has been facing the heat over its response to Hurricane Melissa. In Parliament on Tuesday, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, the Commander-in-Chief, outlined a number of plans going forward. However, opposition members had questions. Among them, MP for Eastern Westmoreland, Dr. Dayton Campbell.
Do we have an idea, an accurate count of the number of deaths that have occurred in Jamaica? No. Because based on my count from my own constituency, in the Darliston division, there are 12. In the Leamington division, 4. Betheltown division, 2. And 7 in the White House division, which is giving me 25. So do we have an accurate count as to the number of deaths that have taken place in the country?
The last figure I heard was somewhere in the region of 30, 32. But there are deaths that have not yet been, we know of them, but we can't account as to whether or not they were directly related or indirectly related. And so they are going through that process.
Dr. Holness insists the government is prepared to do whatever it takes to ensure all deceased are accounted for.
We will recover all bodies, even if we have to exhume. And we will go through a process of proper identification and where possible determination of death. The science is there to do.
Residents in Westmoreland have been struggling to recover since the passage of the hurricane. This compounded by this revelation from Western Westmoreland MP Ian Hales.
The price of fuel has doubled. The price of food has doubled. The price of building material doubled. Taxi and bus fare have doubled also. I want you to give me an answer to how the government going to work within Westmoreland, Western or the parish of Westmoreland, in stopping some of the abuses which are taking place with our citizens.
I'm happy that you have brought this to the national attention, and I have sent a note to the Minister of Commerce, Industry and Investment, and we are going to investigate this issue.